Google just quietly updated NotebookLM, and honestly, most people are going to scroll right past this one. But if you make content, if you run a course, or you run a community, this update is one of the biggest time savers I've seen all year. Stick around, because by the end of this, you're going to look at NotebookLM completely differently. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Look, if you make content, you already know the problem. You write something once, and then it sits there and it goes stale, and nobody ever goes back to update it. Google just fixed that inside NotebookLM, and it's a bigger deal than people realize. Because fresh, useful, updated content is exactly what Google wants to rank in search results. If your information is old and outdated, you're basically telling Google not to show your stuff. So let's get into exactly what changed. The biggest one is Google Drive AutoSync. Before this, if you had a document inside NotebookLM and you made a change to it in Drive, you'd have to go back and re-upload the whole thing again. Every single time. Now, you edit the file once in Google Drive, and NotebookLM already has the latest version, automatically. No re-uploading the same document 10 times. This might sound small, but think about what that actually means for you. Every business runs on documents, pricing sheets, onboarding guides, research notes, content briefs, SOPs. And most of the time, those documents get outdated fast, and nobody goes back and fixes every single place they were used. With AutoSync, that one document becomes a single source of truth. You update it once, and every summary, every answer, every piece of content pulled from it reflects that change instantly. No stale information going out to your team, your students, or your audience. Now, on top of that, there's a handful of smaller updates that actually add up to a lot. You can now pin your favorite notebooks to your homepage, so your most important project is one click away instead of you scrolling through a long list every time you log in. That sounds tiny, but if you're juggling multiple projects, multiple clients, or multiple content streams, you know exactly how much time gets wasted just hunting for the right notebook every single time. You open the app, you can edit slide decks right inside NotebookLM now, reorder slides, delete slides, no extra software needed, no exporting to another app just to move one slide around. You can share reports and slide decks straight from the app on web or on mobile. So the second something's generated, you can send it straight to your team without extra steps. You can download slide decks right from your phone. And you can now search your notebooks on mobile too, so if you've got dozens of notebooks, like a lot of us do, that alone saves a stupid amount of time. None of these individually sound huge, but stack them together. And what you're really looking at is Google turning NotebookLM from something you use once in a while into something you could realistically run a chunk of your business inside of. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Care about this. Say you're running a course or a community or even just a content calendar for your business. Before, keeping your research current meant constantly re-uploading files and hoping you didn't miss one. Now NotebookLM just becomes a living workspace that updates itself. You do the research once in one place, and everything downstream, your videos, your posts, your emails, all of it can pull from the newest version automatically. That's not a small workflow change, that's a completely different way of working. So let me show you how I'd actually use this. Say you want to turn one piece of research into content for every platform you show up on, so you only do the work once. You'd ask Gemini something like this: research the top 3 AI automation trends this week that would help a small business owner save time and grow, summarize the key points in plain simple language, and save it as a Google Doc. That doc syncs into NotebookLM automatically now. From there, You just ask a NotebookLM to turn that one document into a YouTube outline, a newsletter, a LinkedIn post, and a community post. One piece of research, four different pieces of content, and if you update that original doc later, all four update with it. Think about how much time that actually saves you over a month. Normally, you'd be doing separate research for your video, separate research for your email, separate research for your social posts, and half the time, none of it lines up because you did it on different days with different information. Now, it's one source pulled apart four different ways, and it's all consistent because it's all coming from the same place. There's another version of this that I think is even more useful if you're running any kind of community or membership. Every week, there's new AI news coming out from every direction, and most people don't have time to read 50 different articles just to stay current. So instead, you upload the blog posts, you upload the transcripts from the videos you've watched, and you ask NotebookLM to summarize the biggest updates in plain language, explain what actually changed, why it matters, and how someone could use it in their business this week. What you get back is one clean summary grounded in real sources with citations that takes 2 minutes to read instead of 2 hours of scrolling. That's the kind of thing that used to take a research assistant to put together, and now it's one prompt. Here's another one worth mentioning. You can use NotebookLM as a knowledge base for your own community or your own team. Upload every tutorial, every SOP, every guide you've written about your business, and then you can literally ask it a question like, how do I automate lead generation using AI? And it will answer using only your uploaded material and show you exactly where each answer came from. So instead of your students or your team guessing or going and searching Google for an answer that might be wrong, they get a direct answer pulled from stuff you actually trust with the source right. There. Now, here's the thing nobody talks about with tools like this. You can have the best content in the world, built with the best AI tool in the world, and still get zero traffic, because creating content and getting found are two completely different games. NotebookLM helps you create, it does not help you get seen. That's the part most people miss. They spend hours on research and writing, and then wonder why nobody's finding it. 9 times out of 10, it's not a content problem, it's a visibility problem. So as good as this update is, don't mistake having great content for actually being found. So to recap, Google Drive, auto-sync so your documents never go stale, pinned notebooks, slide deck editing, built right in, shareable reports, mobile downloads, and mobile search. On their own, they look like small updates. Together, they turn NotebookLM from a notebook into something closer to a living workspace that keeps itself updated for you. If you make content, run a course, or run a community, this is genuinely worth setting up this week. Pick one workflow, whether that's a content machine, a weekly update summary, or a knowledge base for your own audience, and actually go build it. That's how you separate yourself from everyone who just watches videos like this and never touches the tool. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.